everybody, and welcome back to Phonics. We've had a fantastic week learning some more sounds. Well done, everybody. So let's have a quick whiz through and we'll see if you can remember these sounds. When you see it, say it out loud. Let's have a look. Say the sound you can see. That's right. Great. Let's try the next one. Ah, well done. Super stuff. Okay, let's see the next one. What sound can you see? Brilliant. Okay, let's carry on. Good. And yesterday's sound is? Oh, we whizzed off it there. That's okay. Here we go. Brilliant. Awesome. If you want to, make sure that you do the signs with me. We've got S, we've got Ah, we've got T, we've got I, and we've got P. All right, let's move on. Today we're going to make some words with the sounds that we know. So first things first, I need to show you what the words are that we're playing with today. This word is pat. Can you say pat? Great, pat. Let's have a look at the next picture. We've got a tap. A tap. Super. Let's have a look. We've got sip. Please, can you say sip? Sip. Very good. And the last one is a pip. A pip from an apple. A pip. All right, very quickly, just to check that you were listening, point to the tap. And point to sip. Point to pat. And now point to pip. Well done. We're going to have a little game now of what am I talking about? What am I talking about? Let's have a look. Oh, let's move the words up for you so that you can see. What am I talking about? I'm going to sound it out. T, ah, p. Which picture is that? T, ah, p. When you know it, say it out loud so I can hear you. T, ah, p. Woohoo! Yes, it's the tap. Well done. Super stuff. All right, let's find out now then. What am I talking about? P, I, p. Have you already said it? What is p, I, p? Can you find it? Say the word. P, I, p. Oh, yes, it's the pip. Well done. Let's have a look at the next one. What am I talking about? Here I go. I'm going to sound out the word. P, ah, t. What word is that? P, at. You choose. What word can you hear? P, at. Oh, yes, pat. Well done. Here it is. Pat. Are we ready for the last one? What am I talking about? I'm going to sound it out. S, I, p. S, I, p. Which word am I talking about? S, I, p. Make sure you point to the right picture. Oh, yes, It's this one, sip. Well done, super stuff, right. Now we've done all of the words, sounding out, listening carefully and choosing which one it is. Your job on Class Dojo is to very carefully sound out the words yourself and choose, what are you talking about? We'll do the first one together to show you. Let me get my pen. My pen's ready. Let's sound out. P, I, P, I. Which one am I talking about? Pip. Oh, it's the pip. So I'll join it up. Your job is to read all of the words and join them up on your Class Dojo worksheet. When you've finished, you can go to the Dropbox and print this page or just write these words neatly in your book. Look at the word first. What is this word? This word is pat. So you need to sound out pat, like this. P, A, T. Or like this. P, A, T. When you're sure that you can sound it out nicely, it's your turn to write the letters. Like this. P, A, T. At. I've written the word pat. Make sure you sound out all of the other words, like s, I, s, I, before you try and write it. Well done, everyone. Good luck and happy phonics.